All right, guys. Thanks for tuning in here. Just wanted to go over the current trade that we're in with the Edge Trader. So we took the trade at it was a 1 hour buy signal 83.10. It was a couple days ago. Let's just turn on the Edge Trader and we'll see where we're at here. Let's see. This is the 4 hour. We'll dial into the 1 hour here. And we took a buy right around here. We opened at 83.10. I think it's right about when the signal fired. Uh, it was actually a good time for us to enter, and we took that trade. We wrote it up. It was nice. There was no actual retest of even of that entry, or just slightly, but yeah, did not test down to this support line here, and it just rode all the way up, nice and clean, and we've just been riding it all the way. Earlier, we took profit at 9100, just because it looked like volume was kind of starting to die off there. You'll see volume was great all the way through. It looked like it was going to get through to 9200. It didn't. Volume died down, of course, end of day trading, and it looks like Bitcoin might be coming back down to test the 21 exponential that's here, this yellow line, and that's could be a likely play as some of these oscillators and price action reset a little bit. Now, what you'll see Edge Traders actually still has us in a green, but it always does make sense to take profits at certain areas. 9,000 was actually a good place to take profit too, but we rode this all the way through. It was a 9.5% trade. Let's see, we took it right about here, middle of this 1 hour, and really, really, really nice trade. Um, if you took profit even higher than that, if you're able to capture that, that's wonderful. If you're still in it, that's good. Pay attention to when the 1 hour signals red. If it does in fact signal, then we would suggest to close out that trade, take your profits, and wait for another signal. Either go short there or wait for it to go long again. Um, what we're probably going to do here is wait and see what happens around this 9,000 area. I think test down towards the 85, or sorry, 8,800, even, yeah, maybe even the 8,500. Let's see, 86. Let's see, we got a resistance line here, probably support line now. Probably see a test somewhere around here, 8880. Kind of somewhat aligns with the yellow 21, if not 8,900 or 8,918. All of those, that's all healthy price action, not really a correction, kind of just a test of some of the EMAs likely to happen from here. If it breaks down, if we start getting 4 hour closures below 8,900, keep an eye out for opening short there and following that through. So let's take a look at some support lines where we could see action come down and play here. So we got some volume here around the 8,900 range. We also got support around here. Uh, a test around this area would still be considered pretty healthy. What's cool is to start to see some of these higher time frames when in an uptrend. 12 hours looking strong. 12-hour 21 is on an uptick. Even the daily looks like it's now on daily is now on definitely an uptrend. We're really looking for breaking though this resistance in the 9,200 range, and then above and beyond that, the 9,500 range. You'll see some of this previous price action, some of this history back here should have some muscle memory around this 94, 9,500 area. If you're looking at upside targets, downside targets, this 8,500 range, always a lot of action kind of through there. A little bit of a liquid zone, kind of where we see a lot of action, somewhere between 84, 8,500. If it does come down from here, we'll probably see a little bit of bouncy bounce right there, and then we'll just kind of sit out and wait for price action to dictate our next move, and or just take the edge trader signal as it comes. But so far, this has been some really great trading. I don't know if you remember taking this. Let's see, this is a 24. Let's see, we had this short right here. It was nice, and we rode this one all the way down. I think I'm taking profits around here around 82. That was or 82.90. That was a good spot, and it proved to just have a lot of support there, and it just like Bitcoin could never really quite break down too far behind it. A little bit of a scare. It never really got down below 8,200 though, and then just up, up, up. This is nice, clean, healthy price action. Looks like accumulation and and just nice, healthy action. A lot healthier than let's see, when we had this spike up where it just rocketed up within 24 hours. Price, you know, what did it moved a few $1,000s, and then it just slowly trickled down. This has been a lot nicer of a slow, gradual growth. Definitely looks like healthy accumulation to me, and we'll see evidence of that depending on if a Bitcoin breaks down from here or continues onward and upward. Anyway, we're going to sign out for now, and would just like to wish everybody happy and healthy trading, and yeah, keep an eye out for those 1 hour signals. If you don't know how to set the alerts on it, I think a we have a tutorial on this channel, and it'll just tell you basically, you right click, you add alert here, and you're going to do, let's see, we're going to go to Edge Trader, okay, and then we're going to do a set a buy alert, and we're on the 1 hour, and just do, once per bar, set that to send to our bot or emails, and then go from there. All right, well, we're just going to sign out, and hopefully everybody's been making lots of money, because there's definitely a lot to be made. All right, cheers.